Assalamu alaikum, students of level 8. I hope you all are safe and healthy at home. This is Ms. Samira Azadi, your computer studies teacher from Falcon House Grammar School, Campus 9. And today I am going to start the new chapter, that is chapter 9, starting with Visual Basic on page number 112. Okay, now take out your textbooks and open the page number 112. Before starting this chapter, Visual Basic, I will explain you about the computer language. Okay, a computer language is a special language understood by the computer. It is a set of words, symbols, and codes that are used to write a computer program. A computer program is written in a language which is called programming language, like QBasic, Visual Basic, C++, PHP, and so on. The people who can write these programs are called programmers. In this chapter, I am going to explain you about the Visual Basic Programming Language and their features. The Visual Basic Programming Language is a very popular programming language. It allows programmers to build complex programs very easily. This language is easy to learn and use because the Visual Basic is ideal for beginners programmers. Visual Basic is based on Basic Programming Language and was developed by Microsoft Corporation. Visual Basic makes use of Graphical User Interface (GUI) for creating a powerful application. Visual Basic is an event-driven programming language as the programming is done in a graphical environment. The first step in building a Visual Basic program often is to design a graphical user interface using Visual Basic objects. Visual Basic objects include items such as buttons, text boxes, and labels. There are different features of Visual Basic programming, which includes Form Designer, create user interface using a design tool, add drawing to the forms, set properties for individual objects on the form, build an executable file, debug application, examine objects in the form, work with data in the form, add more functionalities to program by writing codes, and creating crystal reports. There are three editions of Visual Basic: Learning Edition, Professional Edition, and Enterprise Edition. In Learning Edition, Visual Basic development environment use of standard tools to develop applications. In Professional Edition, Computer Professional, as it supports the tools to develop ActiveX and Internet controls. Enterprise Edition. In this edition, all the features of the Professional Edition as well as the Microsoft Visual Source of the source code control and automatic and component manager. Importance of Graphical User Interface (GUI). Graphical User Interface has the ability to use a program or website effectively. It depends on the design of the GUI. Graphical User Interface allow a user to interact with the interface in a very familiar way. For creating a program in Visual Basic, we just first open the Visual Basic program window. To open the Visual Basic program window, we click on Microsoft Visual Basic 6.0 tile on the start screen. The Microsoft Visual Basics window will appear. Then we click on the new tab, then click on Standard Exe, and then click on Open. Visual Basic display a default project. In this project, there is a blank form called Form 1. Most of our work goes on inside the form window. We will design all our application forms, which are the background window that our user see in the central editing area where the form window appears. Visual Basic consists of many tools that we will use while working on our project. These tools or the components of Visual Basic window includes menu bar, toolbar, project explorer, property window, form layout window, toolbox, form, and project container window. Menu bar. Menu bar contains the menu commands that have probably seen in the other window-based applications such as File, Edit, View, Project, Format, Debug, Run, Diagram, Tools, Add, INC, Window, and Help. The toolbar. It includes many icons that represent the various functions of Visual Basic. If we are unaware of these icons, simply move our mouse cursor over the icon and a small balloon containing the description of tools will appear. Project container window. It is like a container which contains other windows such as forms and code window. Form tool. It provides a place where we can draw objects to draw the program's user interface. We can use the toolbox to add object to a form by clicking an object icon on the toolbox and using our mouse to draw the control. Property window. It contains the properties of the object. To view an object properties, simply click on an object such as form, text box, label, images or commands button to have its properties display in the properties window. We can also modify the object properties. Form layout window. It allows us to position forms relative to our screen size. Form code window. It is a place where we can write a Visual Basic code. I hope you can understand the today's topic and give you an assignment that you have to do in your exercise book. Your question number 1 is explain the importance of graphical user interface GUI, and the question number 2 is explain the different components of Visual Basic window. Question number 3, create a web to show the features of Visual Basic. Before doing these questions, you must create the title page of this chapter that we started today. Then if you still have any question, then ask me in the Zoom session that will be started after a few minutes. Take care of yourself, stay at home, stay healthy. Allah Hafiz.